Yeah, so we're just gonna flash freeze it. So we need to pour it into something.
Do we have anything, like a bucket or something that won't break? Yeah, glass works.
Something like this. Yeah, but getting this plate, that's not gonna work.
What about like a baking tray?
Yeah, so.
Why is it bending like that?
This is the only thing we got.
Is it gonna hold?
I can keep filling it.
Why is it making that sound?
Well, oh no, the flooring is cracked.
Oh,
Well, so, oh dude, well that's really not good. Apparently the flooring couldn't take it either. Uh-oh. Well, you know, I guess that's the answer to that experiment.
What just happened? Did the floor explode?
Yeah. Well, we did some science and we, this looks like it could be fixed with just some tape.
I guess.
You just can tape that up, tape up that flap. I'm not gonna crack it. Yeah. It is what it is. In conclusion, a container can't take it. I hate to say that I kind of knew that was gonna happen. The only thing that surprised me was the floor. And that
Right.
also kind of doesn't surprise me.
If you drag the liquid nitrogen container over the cracked floor, then your problem's solved.
Oh yeah.
No one will.
If we just go.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
There,
Yeah, exactly.
What floor?
It's all right. I'll recover.